Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your macOS language to French. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the System Preferences icon down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select Language and Region. Select the little plus sign over here on the left, and then scroll on the list, or you can type in French if you choose to do that. Otherwise, you can see our options right here. Go ahead and select Add. Select Use French, and there you go, guys. Simple as that. You will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And if you ever want to swap them back or just make English the primary one again, you can just drag it over to the front. So you can just drag it up. And it's as simple as that. So you can see the list order pretty much. So pretty straightforward process. Again, you would need to restart your computer for that to take effect. Just fully, there are some changes you can tell immediately here, but again, if you go back and forward, you'll see that the languages will change pretty much through almost all the settings here. But again, it takes a little bit of time to do that. Again, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.